My name's Dr. Brendan Lanham. I am a research fellow in the School of BioSciences. I'm a marine ecologist, so I do a lot of work around shallow marine habitats. This project is around restoring our forgotten shellfish reefs. So the coral reefs of temperate Australia, so our southern seas, have been lost to living memory. When these reefs are forming large-scale habitats, they provide a lot of hiding places for other species, including small invertebrates, but they're also really important habitats for juvenile fish species. So they improve the biodiversity of not only the local area where the reefs exist, but also beyond that with the dispersal of these species, particularly fish. Restoration's ongoing, but there's major challenges around getting the really early life stages, so the baby oysters, to survive when they're put out into the wild in restoration projects. And so the Melbourne Biodiversity Institute funding is going to look at incorporating novel ways of 3D printing using clay and ecology to try and increase the survival of oysters when they're put out into the ocean for restoration projects. The benefit of the clay 3D printing is you can make really complex structures. And so what they will look like will be informed by some of the other design aspects of this project. This funding has allowed us to work with people from the design department, taking a completely different perspective on restoration and what a restoration project should look like. But I also work with people at Victorian Fisheries Authority on their restoration project, the Nature Conservancy as well, so working with stakeholders outside the university that actually do the on-ground restoration rather than the research. That's the dream, to have hectares and hectares of reef in our shallow waters, but that's many years away.